Topic of my speech is Youm Takbeer. Dear sir, today we gather here to commemorate the History Day of May 28, 1998, which is celebrated as Youm Takbeer in Pakistan. This day marks a significant milestone in our nation's history, as it was the day when we achieved nuclear capability, making us the first Muslim country to do so. Today, we also pay tribute to all scientists, engineers and personnel who worked tirelessly to make this day possible. Their dedication and hard work have brought us to this point, and we owe them a debt of gratitude. As we celebrate this History Day, let us also remember the sacrifice made by our armed force, who have always been at the forefront to defending our nation's security and sovereignty. We owe them a debt of gratitude and salute their bravery and dedication. In conclusion, let us pledge to continue working toward making our nation stronger and more prosperous. Let us uphold the value of peace, progress and unity, which are the hallmark of our great nation. May Allah bless Pakistan, and may we continue march toward forward a brighter future.